Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to make a program that adds up all the numbers up to 10. Let's get started. So first we're going to make a variable called the sum, which is going to be equal to 0. And we're going to press enter 2 times and we're going to make a for loop. So for x in the sum, we're not going to do for x in the sum. We're going to do for x in range. And we're going to put parentheses, and then we're going to do 1 comma space 10. Or you can change that to 11, but if you don't want to change that to 11, you can just do 10 plus 1. So yeah. And then we're going to put a colon at the end. So we're going to press enter after you put the colon, and you should see an indent. So don't delete that indent because you need to make stuff inside the for loop. So you want that indent. So after you get the indent, you want to type in the sum plus equals 1. Not 1. Plus equals x. So then we're going to press enter, and we want to delete this indent because this line is not going to be inside the for loop. So we don't want to print the sum in the for loop. We just want to print the sum. Okay? So I'll explain to you what this does after we run it. So it says that it's 55, maybe. Yeah, it says that it's 55. So let me explain to you what it's doing. So we made the sum equal to 0, and we made a for loop, and we made x equal to the range of 1 through 11. So why I did 11 was because I wanted to make it 1 through 10, because in the range function, it does like -1 your end number that you put. So it actually is 1 to 10. So yeah, that's why I made it 11. And I made the sum plus equals x, which means that since the sum is equal to 0, it's going to be adding each digit of the range of 1 through 10. So that's 1 plus 2 plus 3 and all the way up to 10. It's going to be adding all of that because x is equal to the range of 1 through 10. All of those numbers. So it's going to keep on adding all of those digits, and it got 55. And if we just put this print inside the for loop, then what it's going to do is it's going to put 1, 3, and then some stuff, and then it's going to do 55. See? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, and then, yeah, all of that stuff until 55. So that's why we don't want the print in the for loop. So that was the end of the video, guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, then make sure to click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.